Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your investment knowledge with the Motley Fool easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your investment knowledge with the Motley Fool, start by visiting their official website. Once there, explore the various resources available. Look for the investing section, which is often prominently featured. Read through the articles and guides tailored for both beginners and experienced investors. Familiarize yourself with their investment philosophy and strategies explained in these resources. Next, sign up for their newsletter to receive regular updates and insights directly to your inbox. Take advantage of their premium memberships if you're looking for more in-depth analysis and stock recommendations. Within your membership, navigate to the analysis tools they provide. Utilize these tools to assess potential investments based on your financial goals. Engage in their community forums where you can ask questions and share experiences with fellow investors. Consider listening to their podcasts, which cover a wide range of investment topics and trends. Watch videos they offer that explain key concepts in a visually engaging manner. Make a habit of attending their webinars, which often feature expert insights and Q&A sessions. Track your progress by implementing what you've learned into your own investment strategy. Review your performance periodically to see how your knowledge impacts your investing outcomes. Stay updated on market news and trends by following their expert commentary. Lastly, always continue to seek new learning opportunities through additional books and online courses in investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.